Hello everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how to create your Kaggle account as well as how to register for the WiDS DATATHON. So you go on to register if you do not have an existing account, or you sign in if you have an existing account. So I'm going to be going through the process of registering as a new user for the new users we have here. So I'm going to register with an email, and you click register with your email, put in your email credentials, your email, your password, and your preferred display name, which is going to be more like your username here. So inserting my preferred username here. So afterwards you click on verify that you're not a robot. Once that is verified, you go on to submit that icon below. I also want to receive some of the emails. Then I agree and move on to the next steps. So you get an email, a code from Kaggle on your email. So you go to your email address, pick up the code and put it in here, and then your Kaggle account is created. Then you move on to registering in the WiDS DATATHON. You put in all your credentials, your first name, last name, your email address. I would advise that you use the same email address you use for your Kaggle account. Then you put in your address. You put in your location, your state, as well as the country you're registering from. Then you put in your organization. So here we're using WiDS Nigeria. Then you put in the industry. I selected academia here, so you go more in details if that applies to you. You go with that process. Then you put in your proficiency level and fill out the details here. And the Kaggle username we put earlier, you put it in here so that it's linked together. And you submit. If you want to receive this response, click and submit, and then you receive that registration email in the email. And you go back to your email, check, get the link, copy, paste, and it brings you to your Kaggle platform and where the competition is about. So here there's like a description and overview of what the DATATHON is about, the evaluation metrics that will be used, the frequently asked questions. So you can just take out time to go through these details, and also always reach out to us on the community for more details, the timeline, the tutorials and resources that would help you throughout the DATATHON, the prizes with DATATHON, partners and team formation tips and tools that are required. Then afterwards you go on to the data. So this is like an overview and description of what you're going to be doing, your tasks, what is expected of you in this DATATHON, and where you'll be able to find all of the data sets, and you would download it. So here are the other resources, then the rules and regulations for here. So you can go on to join the competition, or you understand and accept the rules and regulations, and voila, you're gonna be in the competition. So this is loading now. So once you join competition, you're already in. So you'll be able to go back to the data sets, download, and you download. If you're not an individual and you have a team member or team members, this is where you would add them to it. So once you join the competition, you'll be able to see the team section where you can add your team members from. So I'm just going to show you how to go about it. So you go down to team members, and of course your team members should already be on registered users on Kaggle, and then you send an invitation to them. You put in their names here, search for them, like what I am currently doing right now. I created another account for this test, and you continue. You can also search for multiple users, put them in here. You continue and send the request to them, then you save settings, the person gets the request and accept, and you all work on it together. So once you're done with your data sets, you're done with your predictions and everything, then you can now have the space to come back to submit your predictions here using this icon. So as we proceed on the group and also the community, you'll be able to come up with your questions, and we'll guide you through the various process going forward. Thank you so much and have a great session. Bye.